Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a YouTube video in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. The first step is to open up your project where you want to add your video. Open it up and then click on Overview tab. Scroll down until you see Key Resources. Click on Create Project Brief, and now here name your video. So let's say my new video, and simply here you can paste the link. So go to your YouTube video, select the link, press Command C or Control C if you're on Windows, go back to Asana, and then Command V or Control V if you are on Windows. Now press done, and here you can see your YouTube video embedded right, and you can click on it and it will open up. So it is simple as that. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.